If you're looking for the ultimate reverse lighting setup for your off-road rig, today we're going to be checking out the brand new KC C2 LED light system. Now KC came out with this with the complete reverse or scene light idea in mind. A lot of off-roaders, including myself, you're out on the trail, you're backing up, you need the light spread as far as you can go. Now with the KC lighting system, you're going to have 120 degrees of usable lighting while only drawing 1.6 amps per light. Having 120 degrees is just about a full 180 degrees of lighting, which means you're going to be able to light up the entire side of wherever you're parked. Now with this kit comes with two KC C2 LEDs, as well as their complete lighting and wiring harness here and the brackets. So this is extremely nice. It's a really beefy setup, and one thing with KC, you can be sure that you'll have everything in the box to get them wired up. Now I'm going to turn one of these on and show you guys just how bright they are, but if you're looking for the ultimate lighting in and around your campsite at night, check out the KC reverse lights.